Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to report fraudulent activities in Trim. Do you suspect fraudulent activity on your accounts? Well, here's how to report it using Trim. First, open the Trim app and navigate to the Help or Support section. Look for Report Frauds or Security Issues. There, you're going to need to provide details about the suspicious transactions or activity that you noticed. If possible, include transaction dates, amounts, and any other relevant information that you have. Trim's team will guide you on the next steps, which may include contacting your bank or credit card company directly. Also, you want to consider freezing your accounts or changing password as a precaution. Trim helps you stay on top of your finances and protects you from fraud. And that's how you report fraudulent activities in Trim quickly and securely. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.